This is Drew with Boomer Music Company, your band and orchestra experts since 1976.
All right, what a busy day we're having. I'm recording this on Tuesday. For those of you who don't know, for Boomer Music, I do road rep stuff for the Thompson School District in Loveland. What that means is when things are normal, I have set appointments with all the teachers, and I go at their schedule and meet with them, usually during breaks or lunchtime or just before school or things like that, and help out with whatever they need for their program, whether it's instruments or accessories, repairs, or just a sympathetic ear. I can certainly offer that. And so with the way things have changed for this school year, I haven't been able to do that. And so my deliveries have been mostly, and pickups have been limited to sort of by appointment, as needed kind of thing. So there's no set schedule, which means I'm just kind of running around whenever I can, dropping stuff at the office and not really seeing people. Today has been completely different, which is so awesome. This is the closest to normal that we've been. And even the last few weeks, I haven't even bothered taking the van. Well, fortunately today I did. I'm delivering folders to people, and if, as an aside, if you need folders and you haven't put in a order for them, contact us. We'll get them to you. And so that means I'm going to see a lot more people because a lot of people need folders. And in the course of dropping them off, teachers have been contacting me and needing stuff, repairs mostly. And so since I'm out and I've got plenty of room in the big van, it's just been awesome actually getting to see people, interacting with them, interacting with the instruments, just seeing things started to kind of open up and get back to normal. It's an exciting time anyway because it's the last week of school. But it's just really, really cool to be able to be out and do this. You don't realize how much you miss stuff like this until you're not doing it. So super excited to be out on the road doing this for today. And we'll be here all summer too if anyone has any needs during that time frame as well. I got some trips here and there, but you know, we're here. And we're going to keep being here, and it's with the support of everyone in the community that we've been able to do it. So thank you so much. Looking forward to a great summer and then and beyond. So thank you for your support.
If you need help with instruments, repairs, sheet music, or anything band or orchestra, reach out to us at boomermusiccompany.com. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our e-newsletter so you will never miss another video or podcast. This is Drew with Boomer Music Company. Thank you for listening.